Assalamualaikum. Today I'll be sharing my most favorite dessert recipe with all of you, and this is strawberry cobbler. I have made them as individual desserts and they are super delicious. Just take some strawberries in a bowl and add sugar to it. Mix them well till soft and mushy. See, the sugar has been nicely incorporated and the strawberries are looking softer and juicier. Now I'll take another bowl and I'll start preparing the crumble. For the crumble you need flour, sugar, oatmeal and some melted butter or oil. Now we just have to mix it together till it attains a crumbly texture. That's exactly what we are looking for right now. See, it has come together well. So guys, our crumble is ready as well. Now take the strawberries and equally divide them between the two ramekins, and then we'll top them off with the crumble we have prepared. Just press them slightly before adding the crumble so that they stay in place. See, the way I'm doing it with the help of a spoon. And now it's time to add the crumble. Use as much as you like and then press gently again. Now they would go in the oven and they'll be baked at 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes. You have to see till they are brown and crispy. See how beautiful does that look. It's so juicy and it is really delicious. You eat them warm. You can also put some vanilla ice cream on the top to make it even tastier. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, my lovelies.